I want to address an issue which occurred last week, and that is the shooting death of a Jamaican lady in the Augustown community, Susan Bogle. The circumstances behind the shooting are still under investigation. And given the established protocols that now exist regarding such shootings, where there is an independent commission of investigation who takes over these matters and who has been doing a very good job in ensuring that justice is done, I call the son of the deceased, a young man who I had an extensive conversation with, and very impressive young man, the best of Jamaica, what we would want to see all our young men aspire to. And a statement which moved me was that he didn't want his mother's death to go in vain or be ignored by the state. And I found that to be very profound. There is still a sense where people feel they don't get social justice. And it is imperative that the government at all times reassures all citizens that the government cares. The government will ensure that nothing in these matters will be hidden, will be swept under the carpet, that the social and economic status of the victim does not determine the outcome of justice. And I had what I felt to be a very good talk with this young man and gave him the assurance that in no way, shape, or form will there be any attempt to cover up, that we will seek to have justice done in this matter.
Of course, the immediate self today was the fact that an elderly lady, Miss Bogle, was killed. And that is a tragedy of immense proportion. But the fact is that the last few weeks, in fact, Augustown has seen again a resurgence of major violence. And I want the community to appreciate that we are deeply concerned about the tragedy of Miss Bogle, but we're also deeply concerned about the continuing level of violence in Augustown, which has taken in this year, 9 lives, and in the last few weeks in particular, about 5 or 6. A number of them were in the community. There are a couple outside the community because gangsters have been fighting with each other. And with scant regard for anybody's lives, that concerns us, and we're looking at it in a specific way. The Ministry of National Security looking at how we can move with new strategic approach to overcome this. It's not just a matter of detaining an individual, but we're going to work with the community to see to what extent we can get the law-abiding majority of the community to cooperate with the police, which means we have to ensure their security to prevent them feeling fearful. Because what I've seen elsewhere is once we get the wider community cooperating with the security forces in a sensible way, we find the guns and get the guns. We'll either be able to prosecute the criminals or they will leave the community. Much has been done by the Commission and the present leadership to make adjustments to improve the efficiency and to work within that framework. Plus the policy of the government to look at the zones of special operations as a primary means of not only disrupting the criminal gang, but bringing a different kind of work approach to social intervention in the community. It's beginning to take impact. We are not as yet widely located as we'd like to be, but it's a policy decision that I think can bear fruit. Even before we get a full zone of special operation, it's a matter of refocusing social intervention in a very specific way. So we gain the confidence of the community and disrupt the gangsters who are on a road of disruption and mayhem and killing. There's just absolutely too much violence in Jamaica. We settle all our differences, whether criminals or otherwise, with violence, and we are committed to finding a way to reversing that trend.
It's a sad day. It's a sad day for Augustown, but we will not be defeated in Augustown. It takes commitment, and sometimes you get a step back, but we will regroup and, you know, make every effort to bring peace to Augustown.